In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in the Gamma app. Whether you're new to the app or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to help you seamlessly incorporate visuals into your projects. Adding images can really enhance your presentations or documents by making them more engaging and visually appealing. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to log into your Gamma account and head over to your dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your main hub in the Gamma app where you have access to all your projects and tools. Once you're there, the next step is to find the project that you want to work on. Simply click on the project of your choice to get started. This is where you'll be adding that visual flair with images. Now once you have your project open, you'll notice various editing options. What you'll want to do next is click on Highlight. This feature allows you to select the section of your document or presentation where you'd like to insert an image. It's efficient and helps ensure that your images are placed exactly where you need them. After you've selected the Highlight option, look over to the right side of your screen. There you should see a series of options related to images. Click on Images to bring up all the image management tools Gamma has to offer. This is where the magic starts to happen. You have several choices depending on where your images are located. You can either upload directly from your device or use a URL if your image is hosted online. Choose the option that best suits your needs. When you're ready to upload, go ahead and click on Image Upload. If you opted for another method, select that instead. For this guide, we'll go with uploading directly from your device. Click on Click to Upload, which will open up your File Explorer. From here, select the image you want to add to your project. It's a good idea to ensure that your image is of high quality and appropriate dimension for where you plan to place it. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to preview it within your project. Simply click on the X at the top corner to close the upload window, and your image will appear right where you intended it. You've successfully added an image to your Gamma project, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now able to enrich your Gamma presentations and documents with beautiful imagery. Remember, the right image can communicate your message more effectively and leave a lasting impression. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for all your creative projects in Gamma app.